how to delay clicks on your Xiaomi POCO M4. Delay clicks on your Xiaomi. The first step, from main menu, we must go to the setting, where we have option additional settings. We choose it, and there we have accessibility. And in accessibility, we must go to the last option, physical, and there we have touch and hold delay, the second option. We choose it, and there we have short, medium or long. And when we choose long, it can be helped when we touch the screen by chance. And until still strong push, it won't open anything. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.